Hi everyone, I'm Yogesh and I'm going to talk about the CMMI models, which means capability maturity model integrations. It can help the companies to improve the process, and also it can use to deliver the quality softwares which was helpful to the customers, and it can also use in the multi product purposes. Next is about the CMMI. I mean, it's basically a framework that was used by the software organizations to improve the work process for the companies. And the CMMI that was developed by the Carnegie Mellon University, and it gives step-by-step path processes for the companies to grow from very basic process levels to high quality, and also the advanced process quality levels. And basically or simply if the CMMI that can tells a company how good they are and how the companies can improve it. Next one is about the why we need CMMIs to use in our projects. Here's the reason why we are using CMMI in our projects, because the software projects are more complex nowadays, so we have to reduce the complexity so we can use the CMMI. And the customers also expecting the high quality, so we have to use the CMMI to improve those quality more. And the third one is about the projects can fail without the proper planning, so we have to use CMMI here to do the proper planning. And also the company, they can need the standard processes. I mean, they can you have to choose the process levels like level 1, level 2, level 3, some others. And the fifth one is about and by using the CMMI, we will reduce bugs, and will reduce the bugs and the defects and the time delays. The next one is about the CMMI concepts, which is important for this, and it totally have the four processes, which are the software process, process capability, process performance, and lastly and finally the process maturity. Coming to the software process, the steps it can use to build and deliver the software to the customers. And the next one is about process capability. This process is the important one on the four ones, which it was having a ability to which was having the ability to process ability of process to produce the expected results. I mean, which mean that which can satisfy the customer expectations. And the third one is the process performance. Process performance, it can give the actual results from the process. um, from the process it can give the actual results. And the final one is process maturity. It can use to it can define how like it can tell how well the process is defined and followed and improved from the previous level. And the higher, if simply if the higher, if the project has higher maturity level, means then they can have the better quality, and it can have the predictable results, and also the fewer errors or problems. The next one is about the CMMI levels. Totally have the 5 levels, which was initial, managed, defined, quantitatively managed, and optimizing. Coming to the first level, the initial level, in this the process are unpredictable and poorly controlled and was reactive. And the next one is managed. In this the processes are planned, informed, monitored, controlled at the project level, and it also often reactive. And the next one is defined. And in this the processes are well characterized and can understandable, and the processes and procedures and standards and tools that are defined at the standardization levels, and it was proactive. And the fourth one is the quantitatively managed. Then there is a process are controlled using the statistical and other quantitative techniques. And the last one is optimizing. In this, the process performances are improved continuously through the incremental and the innovative technological improvements. The next one is about the key process areas. In the set of 4 levels, and it just starts from the level 2, and it can level 2, which can focus on requirement management and project planning, and tracking, quality, and configuration management, and coming to the level 3, it can focus areas on training, organizational standards, and peer reviews, and finally interteam coordination. And coming to the level 4, and you can manage the quantitative process management, and the quality measurement. And the final one is level 4, and in this it can focus the innovation, defects prevention, and technology improvement. The next one is about the benefits of the CMMI. The various benefits, let's see about them. First one is better software quality. By using the CMMI, we'll get the high quality software, so we can satisfy the customer expectations. And the next one is by using the CMMI, we'll get the less defects also, so it can be so helpful, and we don't have to rework more. and and the next one is the on-time project delivery. And by using this CMMI, we can deliver the projects on time. It can delay any deliveries. And next is the better communication and better and proper documentation. By implementing the proper documentation, it can be understandable by all. So I mean, it's it, it's that easy and understandable. And the next one is we can save the time and cost by using the CMMI. And last one is about we can gain the customer's trust and satisfaction by using the CMMIs, because it will help to satisfy the customer expectations, like what they asked and their feedbacks. The next one is about the conclusion. Coming to the conclusion, the CMMI, that is a powerful framework that helps the software companies grow step by step, from a basic level to the world class level. And the CMMI that can improve the quality, efficiency, customer satisfaction, and the overall performance of the projects.